Our law firm is the Medlin Law Firm. Our firm handles all criminal cases, both state and federal, from the lowest level misdemeanor all the way up to capital murder. It feels wonderful when we get great results for our clients because we know that it'll change their life. Sometimes it prevents them from losing their job. Sometimes the result we get allows them to continue to provide for their family, not end up on the streets. It makes all the difference in the world in being able to live the life that they always wanted to live. We often help clients stay out of jail for their crimes or the crimes that they may have wrongfully been accused of by having their case dismissed, by getting them found not guilty, by finding a creative way to resolve their case that doesn't involve any type of incarceration or jail time. Maybe it might be probation, it might be doing some type of community service, but we're able to find ways that resolve their case favorably and without them going to jail. A criminal charge could negatively affect your immigration status. In fact, any result of 1 year in jail or more can cause any person, even with legal status, not a United States citizen, to be deported. They can further prevent a person who is seeking to extend their stay or ultimately attain citizenship. It might prevent them from being able to do that. So it's of the utmost importance to prevent from having a felony conviction or any conviction that results in 1 year in jail or more. If you've been charged with a crime, you can get help from a firm such as ours. We will represent you, we will investigate your case, we will find out what the evidence is against you, and we will determine the best way to represent you and get the best possible result that can prevent you from negatively affecting your life. Our current and past clients would tell you that they are satisfied with the results that we've obtained for them, that they feel like we have adequately represented them, that we've communicated with them, that they have been kept informed every step of the way, and that they knew that when they were in court, they had the best possible representation. Client communication is one of the most important things in getting good representation. In fact, I was the chairman of the District 7 Grievance Committee of the State Bar of Texas for a period of time. And that organization is able to investigate and respond to complaints against attorneys. And the number one complaint that we would receive from people was a lack of communication from their attorneys. Communication is of the utmost importance, and that's why at the Medlin Law Firm we have a policy that we will return every phone call, if not the same day, the next business day. And our phone is answered 24/7. So if it's not business hours, then our phone goes to an answering service, a very competent answering service. And they take messages and we return the call the next business day. However, if they are told that it is urgent, then they make every attempt to find me and I get back to that person as soon as I can. We are a small firm, and an advantage of having a small firm is that you don't get lost. We have 5 attorneys, we have several legal assistants and administrative staff so that we can devote our attention to our individual clients and give them the attention they deserve, and they don't get lost in a multitude of other clients or other attorneys where they just become a number. All 5 of the attorneys will put our heads together on your case and use our collective experience and wisdom, and between us we have 80 years or more of experience. Now, as we investigate your case thoroughly and determine all the issues, legal and factual, and find out the judge and prosecutor that we're dealing with, I will designate one of the 5 of us as the lead attorney in that case, and that's based on the specific issues in your case and the judge and prosecutor that we're dealing with, because each one of us has issues, judges, and prosecutors that we get better results with. So it's who's best for you based on those specifics of your case, but behind the scenes you still get the benefit of the wisdom of all 5 of us. One of the things that makes our firm different from other firms is our experience and talent. Many attorneys will tell you that they've tried lots of cases and had lots of success. But we are the only firm I know of who can honestly tell you that we have tried and won jury verdicts for every level of crime, from traffic tickets all the way up to capital murder. We have also won many cases of DWI involving blood tests, even with blood tests all the way up to 0.33. During your initial case evaluation, we will ask you many questions. We will find out as much as we can about your case. We will do whatever research we can online through the county records that are available to us at the point before we've been hired. We will start to evaluate what legal and factual issues may be present in your case. We will start to determine what steps may be able to be taken early on to help improve the chances of ultimately winning your case. We will determine what investigation needs to be done. Sometimes there needs to be investigation done quickly before things happen that may change the scene or the view. So it's very important to determine everything we can, investigate as much as we can about your case right away.